everybody. These are going to be the parts used for the anti V2K headphones. This is also used for nano particles as well, due to the fact that I'm going through the bloodstream. Mike Shabala mentioned that if you were to have a bracelet or some sort of thing that, you know, that has those strong magnets aligned along your skin, then, you know, they'll naturally detox the stuff out of your bloodstream. Hang on, give me a second and I'll show you guys exactly what these things look like. Just see where I put them. I got like a whole stack of them. If I can't figure out where I left that, then I'll just show you the one that I got here on hand. Okay, and you can see in the stack, so I'll have to find that later. But anyway, these are rare earth magnets. As you can see there, that's one of them looks like. A lot of people bought these types, these very skinny ones, but the thing is that the way they've been taking them off is probably the same way of how they've been breaking. You gotta, when you have them in the stack that they come into in the packaging, you gotta slide them off, not just try to you know, prick them off directly. It won't work that way, and you end up just breaking them as a result. So as you can see, I got the foundation ready for it, and then I got the other pieces that are going to clip into place once everything is set. Now, unfortunately, I need to find the other one of these. Having trouble finding it, but I'm going to have two of these on there, so you got the cushioning to where it softens the whole edge, so this is nothing ruffled up against your head or your ears or anything. So if you're wondering what this is nothing but a bunch of metal and magnets, a bunch of small magnets and a bunch of metal pieces. I'll actually get some of these metal pieces off, not metal, but the one of the magnets off, so you can see what they look like. These are not rare earth, if you can see that. It's a very small one or whatever, but these are. On top of that, I'm going to have copper coils going in between the rare earth magnets. And I really wasn't supposed to have those two clipped together, but it's whatever, I'll get them later. I got two for each side. They will be fitting in along there, as you can see. Just like that. And then naturally I'll have the rare earth magnets on both sides as they clip into place. And there you have it. This is a pair of headphones you can easily walk out in the public with, but you know, it doesn't look odd, doesn't stand out or whatever. It just looks like a perfectly normal pair of headphones or whatever, and nobody would be any the wiser. I'll show you once you know, what they're going to look like once I'm done putting it together. Alright, so as you can see, that's what they look like as soon as they're fully put together. All those parts I just showed you are already in there. There's already metal and magnets in there too, along with the rare earth magnets. In fact, oh wow, I think I really did do what I think I just did. I may have actually put the whole dang on thing in there. Oh, yep, I did, because that was at least 4 parts of those magnets. So I guess instead of having one in, you know, just 2, I'll have like 4 in there. So I'll put, you know, I'll pretty much took one bar magnet here, and I split it up into 4 parts. 2 on each end, centering around a copper coil with the metallic screws all around it as well. So if you don't know, usually if you have magnets and metal together, but if you're dealing with frequencies, it kind of puts them out of whack, so it really screws with what they're doing as far as the V2K that's going on. So I figured, you know, normally, hang on, let me go grab those too so you can see it. These were the original magnets that I was using, but they're just not strong enough. Not to mention they're bulky. Sure, I could break them up, but they still wouldn't have the necessary strength needed. See? I was using these, but they're just, again, they're just not strong. In fact, I could use that piece. Get that off of there, put that over there. And it's proof that they're in there. There you go. If you're wearing jewelry, I would be careful if you're wearing this, because you know, if this is for people who wear earrings, I wouldn't recommend you to wear earrings with something like this, because it will like snatch it up and it will elevate. But yeah, that's what the finished product looks like. Thing is though, is that wearing I don't think you can wear these for long term, but I've yet to test that out, and I'll find that out soon enough. The last version, like I said, was just a prototype, because you know, it's something that's, you know, people want to be able to wear shielding, but they don't want nothing. They want something that sticks out, something that, you know, like is really exposing, that's really like an eye catcher. Nobody wants to wear anything like that, and I get that. You want something comfortable, but you want something that looks you know, legit and looks nice when you go out. That's understandable, because there's a huge amount of comfortability when it comes to this stuff. Not everybody is I mean, yeah, it's shielding, but not everybody likes that whole you know, likes the real advertisement that goes with that, and I get that. Anyway, there you have it, the finished product of the anti V2K headset.